doon. Oo, meron ako pa rin. Sa likod na. Itang, numul ako nga rin, numul ko, video ko. Diba, numul ako.
Ratio Kawa Shalom Bao sauce. Put the broth soy sauce in 1 part.
It's okay sir.
Then 3 parts of rice beans. And for you to enjoy your Shalom Bao using your capsicum soup spoon, put the Shalom Bao on the upper part and then dip into your sauce. Then you can transfer to a soup spoon. Then poke a little hole lang po to release the broth. Then you can sip the broth but bigyan po pa isa. Optionally po, you may put the ginger on the top of Shalom Bao so enhance flavor lang po. Then you may try it one by po but bigyan po isa. Yung po for
Okay. Thank you, thank you.
One also. You can use your bowl cup for sharing.
excuse me po, dry noodle sushi.
Sige po, dessert na lang po yung kulang po. Serve later po ba or serve siya?
Makaharap din. Yes. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Alin? Anong bigyan? Nahiya siya Nahiya siya.
Kanina mo pa, yung mga isa nga, kanina pa.
Nahiya daw siya.
Yung doon.